Welcome to another episode of Chattin with Staxx. I'm your host, Bill-Staxx, and today I got my nephew as my co-host. Say hi, Jude.
Hi.
So, today we're gonna do Staxx plushies, okay?
Yeah, we are, man.
We are. So, we're gonna talk about the plushies and what ones you have and which ones you like, okay?
Okay.
So, we're gonna start with this one.
Yeah.
What's this one? Show the people.
This is my plushie Blue, and it has it right on the picture.
Yeah. And what is it? Is it a good guy or a bad guy?
Bad guy.
Okay. So the ones in the pictures in back of us, which one do you like the most?
I would say
Don't touch the screen though, because it's a touch screen.
I would say
Mario, or you gotta move your head back so you can see.
Okay.
See?
I would say the Goomba Mario.
Yeah, Goomba Mario?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's probably some other people that think that one's cool too.
Yeah, Goomba Mario is on Super Mario Odyssey.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, and it's a video game.
All right, cool. Now let's talk about this one.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Dry Bones, and he's a bad guy.
Oh, he's a bad guy?
Yeah.
His name's Dry Bones?
Yeah.
Cool. Where'd you get him? How long did you have him for?
For maybe this year.
Oh, you got it this year?
Yeah, I got it that year.
Oh.
And I got this one 1 year ago. It was in 2020.
Oh, you got it in 2020?
Yeah.
Oh, so
the other one.
So you got a history of getting these, huh?
Yeah.
So are you going to be collecting them for a while? Is this your plan to keep collecting?
Hey, guess what?
Is your plan to keep collecting plushies?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I keep collecting plushies.
That's awesome.
And
Don't touch the screen.
And I see the B Mario from Super Mario Galaxy.
Okay, I'm going to bring up another picture for us to look at, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. You see, I got to do this. You know, thanks for coming on my show. I really like when you come on as a guest.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Are you going to come on again after this sometime?
Yeah.
If you got time, right?
Yeah,
You're busy.
I have time.
You're busy though, huh?
Yeah.
Real busy? Why? Because of school and stuff?
Yeah, I'm really busy. I'm trying to get a surprise. Because there is a surprise at school. There is.
There is?
There is.
What's the surprise?
Anything you want. Anything you want. You can pick out the surprise box.
You get to pick out of the surprise box at school?
Yeah, you can.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, what kind of surprises do they got?
They have like SpongeBob necklaces, everything.
You do?
They have Play-Doh. They have balloons.
Wow.
And my friend Danny had 2 balloons. 2.
Do you want to say hi to any of your friends out there right now?
Yeah.
Go ahead, say hi to them and say their names so that they could see it.
Hi.
Yeah, but do you have any friends you want to say Danny? Say hi to Danny.
There's even one called Caleb too.
Good. Say hi to him on the camera.
Hi, Danny. Hi, Caleb. Hi, Will. Everyone else.
Say hi to all of them. Yeah, don't forget. Are you
I'm from Sideways.
Are you nice to your people that you don't like, or?
I am pretty nice to everyone.
You got to be nice to everyone, right?
Yeah.
Because why? What happens if you're not nice to people?
I don't know. Probably I get in trouble.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
okay, let's look at some pictures and talk about it, okay?
Yeah, let's look at some pictures.
Okay, so now this is the bad guy chart, right?
Yeah.
Now, we're going to start up at the top. Now, what's this one? The red one.
The red bomb. That's a bomb that's about to explode. And
so now what's the next one? The black one's a bomb too?
Yeah.
Okay, now what's the next one? The white one. What's that?
That's like I don't know what's his name though.
What's the next one after that?
Shy Guy.
Shy Guy? It looks like Santa Claus.
Yeah, well, he does really.
Okay, what's the next one?
My plushie.
Oh, cool, man. Okay, what's the next one after that?
It's like it's Raccoon Boo.
Oh, Raccoon Boo. Well, okay. What's these ones?
Those
The next ones. That's this one.
Yeah, but it's not. It's not the right kind.
Oh yeah, it's a little different. This one's the same.
Yeah.
Look, that one. Don't touch.
That Koopa.
Okay.
And that's Captain Toad, Captain Toad, Toad, Green Toad, Yellow Toad, Blue Toad, Yellow Captain Toad, Yellow Captain Toad.
Now Mario.
Mario,
Luigi,
Luigi, Peach, Daisy, Rosalina. I don't know what's his name. He's just. I'll call him Cap Mario. Cap
Mario. Yeah. What's that one's name? What's
Mario.
that one's name?
That one, the yellow one.
What's that one?
Wario.
Wario?
Yeah.
And why did they name him that?
Because, and that's Cappy right over there.
Cappy?
Yeah, Cappy.
Cool. It sounds like the names come after mafia names, like guys that are in the mob.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Okay, where were we?
What's that one?
That's like a puffer stick, like a spiky.
Okay,
puffer.
What's that one?
I just said
Cap
Mario.
Oh, okay.
And that's Donkey Mario. I don't know who. That's Maker Mario.
Okay.
That's Odyssey Mario.
Okay.
I don't know who that guy is. Baby Luigi. Waluigi. That's a Star Wario. I don't know who that guy. Goomba.
No.
Cap.
Okay, I'm gonna bring some new ones on. We're gonna bring some good guys on, okay?
Okay, good guys.
Boom! Good guys!
Yeah, but those are bad guys.
Yeah, there's a couple bad guys, but there's some good guys in there. So, what is let me see. That one. What's that one?
That's like a dinosaur or karate plant.
Flower bomb?
What's
that one? What are these ones?
That's like
flowers?
That's like Super Mario. Oh,
in the game, right?
Yeah, and when you collect.
What's this one? Is that Bowser?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, cool, man.
Bowser.
That's awesome.
And there's even Bowser.
Okay, now we got these ones. What's this one? Let's go from the top.
I don't know. Bowser. I don't know. Oh, Dry Bowser.
Ooh.
Bowser Jr., Yoshi, Mario, Luigi, Cappy. I don't know who that is. I just get confused.
Yeah.
Wario or Waluigi. Like a chief guy or something. I don't know who that is. Peach.
Is Peach the princess? Is that her name? Peach? Why?
Yeah, Peach.
Why is her name Peach?
Because she's a princess. Okay, let's go on to the next one.
Okay.
Rosalina, and I don't know who.
That's Bowser.
No, that's King Koopa.
Oh. King Koopa's the #1 guy, right? Like
King Koopa is old Bowser.
He's like the boss of bosses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's the old Bowser.
Hey, I'm gonna bring up an old picture of me and Adriana, my daughter. Okay.
Okay.
Bam! Look, this is at her birthday party, and she just got done opening her presents, and she was shy because there was cameras there, and so she wanted to hide and hug me.
Okay.
Do you remember that?
I really don't remember that.
No, you don't remember?
I really want to do another Mario picture.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yeah.
Bring one more up, and then
we're done with the Plush-Staxx video, right?
Yeah, almost.
Almost done.
This is it.
Okay.
Want me to bring one more picture of Mario up?
Yeah, okay. Like a lot of ones.
Okay. Bring one up, okay? Hold on. Let me see. I'm working on it. Do you want to say hi to your teacher?
No. I don't want to.
No, you don't want to say hi to your teacher?
No, I don't want to.
Why?
Because I just don't want to.
No? You like your teacher? Yes.
Yeah. Our teacher.
No, thumbs up.
Gym teacher.
Give her thumbs up.
and use it, teacher.
Give him thumbs up. Thumbs up. All right, so hey, now we got this. Who is this? Who is that guy?
I don't know.
That's Freddy.
Is Freddy your best friend?
No.
He's just a plushie.
Freddy's your mommy's best friend. Your mommy loves Freddy. She met the real Freddy. Did you know that?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
she has his autograph and everything. Okay, so now we're going to go to a big collection of the plushies. Are you ready for this?
Yeah,
Are
it's
you?
gonna be a lot of
Whoa.
Mario characters.
Yes, it is. Ready?
It's gonna be.
Bam!
Whoa!
Look at that.
There's even the one
Don't touch the screen.
There's even the Big Boo I have. It's like they're.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Look at the marshmallow one guy.
Yeah.
Look at how many you got right here.
Whoa!
Look at that thing. You can wear that.
Yeah, there's all like crowds of them. There's Pink Yoshi, Blue Yoshi. There's everyone. Baby
Wow.
Peach.
See that? That's crazy. Do you want to see it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boom. Bowser Jr. too, but I think he's on.
Look, he's even in the flower thing. Is in there. The flower one.
Yeah, that's the karate pants. That's Toad. Everyone.
They got all of them.
Yeah, purple Toad, yellow. I mean,
got old Yoshi.
Yoshi, all Yoshis. He's Cat Luigi, Donkey Kong, Diddy Kong, everyone.
Yeah, they got all of them.
Boo.
Do you play Donkey Kong?
Yeah, I seen him.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like Donkey Kong?
Yeah.
Let me pull up a picture of Donkey. How about that?
Donkey Kong. Let's do that.
Want to do that?
Yeah.
Oh.
The Plushies video.
Plushies video.
And boom. Donkey. What the heck?
You wanted me to show that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
What the heck? That's
really weird. You like that?
Yeah.
Cool, right?
Yeah, that's really weird.
Weird?
That's really weird. I just have something in my body.
You're gonna say talk about this one or what?
I won't because but I will talk about the Donkey Kong.
Oh, you will? Oh, there's some things you won't talk about?
Yeah.
Okay. I understand.
Let's talk about number block plushies and stuff.
Okay, we'll talk about number block plushies in a minute. Let's talk about this one.
And he's like a bald Donkey Kong.
He's like a bald Donkey Kong with no hair.
Yeah.
And he's got the black part over his privates.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, now we're going to go to the number blocks, okay?
Yeah.
So, do you have any number block plushies?
No.
You don't yet. Number blocks.
Plushie.
Plushies. Plushies. Found them.
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
Ooh.
That costs like over $300, 1 to 10. Look at all of them.
Which one do you want me to click on now?
Ooh, that one. He's a square.
I'm gonna get all of them at once. This one. Boom. Okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna bring this one up there and we're gonna talk about it, okay?
Yeah.
You ready to talk about it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go over here. Now. There, gotta sit back a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna pull this up and we're gonna talk about it. You almost ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Get ready. Boom. Now we're gonna start with number one. What is that? And tell the people what it is and why you like them. Okay.
Number block 1 is like one block. He wants to meet everyone that's bigger and bigger. Okay, number 2.
Yep.
Number two
Okay.
likes to dance with number 3 likes to juggle. Number 4 like
You don't have to say it so
number
fast. Slow down.
4 is a square. Number 5 gives high fives to everyone.
He does?
Yeah.
The one with the star in his head?
Yeah.
Cool.
Right there.
Yeah?
Okay. Number block 6 has 6 spots on his his body,
Yeah.
and she's a girl.
Oh, she's a girl.
7 is a rainbow. He loves rainbows. 8 is a.
Wait, hold on. Does he make rainbows?
Yeah.
He can make them.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. What do you mean he can make a rainbow?
Like flying in the air. And number block 8. Let's pop up the picture.
Okay. Number block
8 can run really fast.
Is that a girl too?
No, he's a boy.
The pink one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a boy? Okay.
Yeah. Number block 9. It also likes squares.
Also like squares?
And number block 10.
Okay. Number block 10.
Block 10 rocks it up.
Huh?
Okay. Rocks it up.
Rocks it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
It rocket. He's a rocket.
See these ones?
10 is a rocket. Okay, let's move on to 11 to 20.
Okay.
11 to 20. Let's pop out that picture.
Okay. I'm trying. I'm working on it. I gotta do something. I don't know.
Or 1 to 20. Which one you want to do?
I don't know. You want to do 1 to 20?
Yeah.
Blocks.
Yeah, 1 to 20.
Okay.
Let's go
1 to 20.
Okay.
We're gonna see how many they got.
They only got 1 to 10.
Yeah, they only got 1 to 10. That's it. No 1 to 20. Okay.
Yeah, well,
Right.
we had fun meeting all those plush.
Yeah, right. We did.
Now let's talk about
Regular plushies. How about that? Hold on, Mom. I have a couple more minutes. Chill out.
Okay. Let's
talk about Care Bears. Want to talk about Care Bears?
No. I want to talk about those guys. There's different colors.
Okay, let me find those guys. There. Boom.
Yeah, but that has the lines on
We're
there.
going to do this one. Boom. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, we're going to see what are these?
Those are like.
What are those ones?
Yeah, but they're a lot naughty. They're really naughty.
They're bad?
Yeah.
So why do you watch them then?
I don't watch them at all. Jeez.
So why are we going to talk about them?
Fine, let's don't talk about them.
Okay, we don't have to. Okay, you look at Uncle Billy in New York City.
Yeah.
Look, that's me in New York City, the picture.
Yeah, you go on adventures.
I do. I go on adventures for the show.
And look at that one. That's really old.
Yeah, really old pictures. Yeah.
There's old pictures of you.
No. Yeah. So, you want to say anything to the people? Do you want to say anything to your friends before we go?
I am going to talk about SpongeBob plushies.
You can get my videos.
You can get my videos.
Every time they drop.
Every time we drop.
Peace, everyone.
Peace, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Wave your plushies.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great day.
Have a great day, everyone. Bye.